Are you looking for fast ways to earn some extra money by taking paid surveys? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I recently started testing a new platform called OpinionPioneer, and since then I have kept testing it and now reached a point where I can get paid. And in this video here I will show you OpinionPioneer payment proof. I will show exactly how to withdraw, and I will also talk a little bit more about how long it has taken me to earn enough to get paid, so you will know how fast it is to earn here compared to other service sites. So before I log into OpinionPioneer and show you payment proof and show how I withdraw, I just want to make clear that this is not a full OpinionPioneer tutorial. I have that somewhere else here on my channel. I'll leave a link to that in the top corner here. Here I want to make an updated version here where I talk about payment proof, first of all, show how to withdraw, and talk more about how much you can earn based on my experience after having reached the payout threshold. But before I log in and do that, I also just want to make one more thing clear, because I received a lot of questions about this since I first published a video about it. So who can join? And it is possible to join from more or less all countries, but as it is with basically all service sites, how many services that will be available will depend on the country you live in. There are some countries where there just are not a lot of service available. That is just how it is, because less market research is going on in those countries. But if you live in English-speaking countries, in European countries, in quite a few Asian countries here, then you can find a good amount of service here. Also in United Arab Emirates, you can find a good amount. In Saudi Arabia, in Russia, also definitely worth joining here. But there are some countries like Venezuela, Colombia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nigeria, and other countries like that, where many people have asked from those countries here why they do not get service. That's just because there are unfortunately not a lot of service available in those countries. There is nothing that I can do about that. There's nothing any of the survey panels can do about that. That's just something to do with the country you live in, how much market research that's going on there. And do not try to cheat most service sites. And also I know that OpinionPioneer, they have very strict security, so if you ever try to cheat and fake your country, you will just get banned and lose your earnings. So do not try that. If you happen to live in a country where you do not have a lot of surveys available, then just use other online earning opportunities instead. There are plenty of other free ways to make some extra money online. I will leave a link in the top corner here to a video I have about different worldwide earning opportunities that also are available even if you do not have a lot of surveys. But with that explained, let me now log in and show you how to withdraw from OpinionPioneer. So I have now logged into OpinionPioneer, and I'm not going to show you everything because I have done that in my previous full tutorial that I already mentioned. I will have a link to in the top corner here of this video here. But here I just want to show you how to withdraw, because you can see right now I have just about 1,000 points here, and 1,000 points is worth $10, and that is what you need to reach to get paid. And later we will then talk about how long it will take to reach that. But overall it's quite a low payout threshold, not difficult to reach. And then you just need to go to withdrawals here. Currently, as of recording this video here, PayPal is the only payout option, which is a really great way to get paid in cash. I really do like that payout option anyways, but I have been told that they are also working on adding other payout methods. So if you want to get paid in other ways, then do not worry, they will add that at some point. But for now, I do like PayPal anyway, so let me choose PayPal as a method to get paid here. I just choose that here. And then I would need to add my email address, so I will just do that also and just blur it out, of course, for privacy reasons. And once you have then just added that here, all you need to do is just to click redeem here. And then you can see here, you can choose like different amounts here. Right now, I can of course only choose one because I only have 1,000, but this is also really great that they have this option here. So if you just accumulate, because you can also earn, for example, by inviting friends, which gives really good earnings here also actually, then you might earn even faster, and you might want to accumulate more than just withdrawing every time you earn $10. Maybe you want to wait until you have earned like $100 or whatever, then you can just do that very easily here. Just have the amount here. So the amount, this is 1 times 1,000 points there, so that is $10. Right now I have 1,000 points, so I will just make this here as a withdrawal here. And you can see here, it has now been requested That's all there is to it. And then I just close and then wait. It says here it can take up to 3 days to process. In my experience, it usually goes faster than that, usually 1 to 2 days, but it can take up to 3 days. But if you've done everything honestly, then it will definitely not take long and it pays out quite quickly. But I will also leave a screenshot here on my screen where you can see the email that I will get from PayPal with payment proof, so you can see the money actually did go into my PayPal account, and there I will also write exactly how long it took for me to get the money into my account there. But let's now also talk a little bit more about how fast it then is to earn compared to other survey panels. So overall, OpinionPioneer in many countries, I already talked about the different countries earlier, gives quite good earning opportunities. And what makes it quite fast to earn here is that it's so transparent about your chances, for example, of actually qualifying, and you get paid also when you do not qualify. You get some points for that as well. Of course, not the full amount, but you get the equivalent of 3 cents when there is a survey you do not qualify for. And in general, in my experience, of course, not all surveys gives high rewards here, but in general, they do give quite high rewards compared to many other similar survey panels. And also have a referral program where you will earn 15% for inviting other people, meaning sites that are focused only on earning by taking paid surveys. 15% is actually quite a lot higher. Usually those ones only over for 5 to 10%. So 15% is quite good there also, which also makes it faster to earn if you invite other people. But if you do not want to invite other people, in general, they do offer a good amount of surveys. In general, that's not just with OpinionPioneer, but also with other survey panels. You will not find as many surveys during weekends, but other times, right now you can see I have quite a lot of new surveys available. New ones are added regularly. So if you check in regularly, you will find quite a lot of surveys here. Exactly how long it will take to earn $10, I cannot give an exact answer for. That depends on your profile, how many surveys you will qualify for, how much time you spend here, how often do you try to log in here and see if there are available surveys, because usually when there is an available survey, then they fill up sometimes and then disappear again. So that all depends on that. And of course also it depends on whether you invite other people to join or not. But overall, in my experience, it gives a little bit higher rewards both for inviting friends and for taking the service itself than many other similar survey panels. And it is just really user-friendly because it's so transparent and you can give feedback if there's a survey, if there's any issues, anything, and they have great support. But all the functionalities like that I have described in my full review, already mentioned. There's a link in the top corner if you want to know more details about that. But just overall, it definitely is a quite fast way to earn if you like to earn by taking paid surveys. So as you can see, OpinionPioneer does pay. It is fairly easy to reach the payout threshold if you live in a country where it has a lot of surveys, because it does give quite a lot of survey opportunities here for a quite decent reward compared to many other similar panels. And also it gives a little bit higher rewards if you decide to invite other people to join as well. And then also it processes the payments very quickly, which is definitely also something I do appreciate, and it has great support and it is being developed all the time. It is still a very new panel, so they have other things that they will work on, I've been told. So if you do like to take paid service, this is definitely a great way to do that, in my opinion. If you're not yet a member, I will leave a link below here so you can go there and sign up already. If you already are a member and have tried it, been paid, or not been paid yet, then please share your experiences below here. I would love to hear about your experiences as well. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time it's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.